Thank you for watching this video. For more information, knowledge and facts on Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to get instant update.
Aphorism 12. It is the morbidly affected vital energy alone that produces diseases, so that the morbid phenomena perceptible to our senses express, at the same time, all the internal change. That is to say, the whole morbid derangement of the internal dynamis. In a word, they reveal the whole disease. Also, the disappearance, under treatment, of all the morbid phenomena and of all the morbid alterations that differ from the healthy vital operations, certainly affects, and necessarily implies, the restoration of the integrity of the vital force, and, therefore, the recovered health of the whole organism.
Here, I added a footnote to this aphorism to elaborate my point. How the vital force causes the organism to display morbid phenomena. That is, how it produces disease. It would be of no practical utility to the physician to know, and therefore it will forever remain concealed from him. Only what it is necessary for him to know of the disease, and what is fully sufficient for enabling him to cure it, has the Lord of life revealed to his senses.
Thank you for watching this video at Organon of Medicine. I am sure you must have subscribed this channel. You can watch more related videos here now, especially created for you.